The infrastructure industry is responsible for the countless amounts of bridges, road networks, dams, airports, and ports. And it also has its own share of problems and challenges like the lack of transparency during these projects, value delivered to the community after the project, and ensuring things like accountability as well as affordability for the projects. But what is the future of the infrastructure industry? How will it evolve and transform and adapt to address these challenges? Well, you're about to find that out on this course. Hi, I'm Deshan and I'm a digital transformation consultant. I have first class honors for my bachelor's degree in applied information technology, and I also have a master's distinction in technology management. Well, this is the value that you're going to get from this course. First, we're going to understand the infrastructure industry and the vital role it plays in society. Moving on, let's look at a few key insights of the infrastructure industry to gain a much more richer and a deeper understanding of the industry. Next, let's look at the challenges of the industry. What are the challenges that's really hindering the growth and the development of the infrastructure industry? After that, let's look at a few opportunities for innovation. So how can we bring innovation into the infrastructure industry? Next, let's talk about Industry 4.0. It's this whole new technological revolution that's changing the world right now. So we're going to talk about what Industry 4.0 is and what the Industry 4.0 environment is. Next, we're going to talk about cyber physical systems. So these are smart systems which are able to self-organize, self-optimize, and self-learn with minimum human intervention. So we're going to talk about the benefits of it, the characteristics of it, as well as the drawbacks of it. After that, we're going to talk about the impact of Industry 4.0 on the infrastructure industry. So we're going to talk about different things like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and how things like augmented reality will impact the infrastructure industry. Next, let's look at a few innovative startups and businesses in the infrastructure industry. So who are the game-changing companies out there who are really transforming the infrastructure industry? After that, let's look at the barriers of implementing Industry 4.0. So what's holding us back from implementing Industry 4.0? And finally, we're going to talk about the drivers of implementing Industry 4.0. So what's really pushing us and driving us to implement Industry 4.0? Well, if you're a person who's in the infrastructure industry or the construction industry, or if you're a person who's passionate about learning on the construction industry and the infrastructure industry, this course is just for you. Don't wait, jump right in. I'll see you on the first lecture.